Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Le verbe avoir, parler de l'âge. L'âge. Okay, yung G na in English, it will become J. L'âge. Le verbe avoir sert à indiquer l'âge d'une personne. Parler de l'âge, c'est pour parler de la vie. Chaque âge est unique, okay? Unique ang ating mga edad, our ages, okay? Now, we use avoir for saying our age, how old are you, but not verb être. This is the common mistake of all of us because we use for the verb I am 25 years old. Je suis 25 ans. No, it's not because that is translated literally in English, but this is French. So we use the verb avoir. Donc, j'ai 15 ans. I am 15 years old. Tu as. Okay, tu as. Donc J, yung J, it cannot be Ju hein? Donc, we need to remove the vowel, yung E. Donc, we replace it with apostrophe. So, magiging siyang, it will become J. J, j'ai 15 ans. Okay? J'ai 20 ans. Next, tu as. Tu as is you are. You are 20-year-old. Tu as 20 ans. You are 20-year-old. Tu as. Next, il. Il a. On fait une liaison. Dudugtong. We need to connect. Il a 35 ans. He is 35 years old. Elle. Elle a 28 ans. She is 28 years old. But on a 40 ans. We are all 40 years old here. So, lahat daw sila, they are all 40 years old. The 5 of them, okay? Ils sont 5. Donc, on a 40 ans. Okay. Next, we have, because they have the same ages, okay? Next, nous avons 45 ans. Ils sont combien? 2, 4, 6, 7. All of them are 45 years old, okay? We are 45 years old, all of them. Nous avons, faites en liaison. Yung S, the S will become a Z. Nous avons, quand on prononce, nous avons 45 ans. We are. Next we have, vous avez 60 ans. You are 60 years old now. I see. The two of them, okay? Ils ont, the S will become a Z. Ils ont, and we don't pronounce the T. They are. Ils ont 10 ans. They are 10 years old, okay? Ils ont, masculin. M means masculin, okay? And elles ont, ça c'est, elles ont 12 ans. 12 ans. We need to faire une liaison avec l'âge, okay? Yung year. 12 years old, okay? Elles ont 12 ans. Okay? They are 12 years old. The little girls, twins maybe. Okay? So, I hope it's clear. Donc, j'ai, your age. Tu as, you are, your age. Il a, his age. Elle a, her age. On a, our age. Our ages. And then, nous avons, we also, ours. Vous avez, it's you. And il, yung vous, that is a respect. Even only one, you are for respect. That is pouvoir mo. And then, pag there are two, vous also. Okay? Vous avez 60 ans. And then, ils ont et elles ont. I hope it's clear. Merci po. Merci beaucoup pour avoir regardé et écouté. Et j'espère que cette leçon vous a plu et que vous continuez votre apprentissage de français avec motivation et plaisir. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed and learned something for this lesson. Okay, so next time you need to use verb avoir. And don't forget that, huh? Okay, you use verb one. See you soon and for other lessons. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt ou à demain tout le monde. Ciao, ciao po.